Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. Today we want to do an unboxing video of the Envy. If you order it with a basic seat, everything's going to be in the box. If you order it with 20 by 18 seat or our Premier seat, it's going to come in separate boxes. We're going to take this seat and bring it down. This is the Premier seat in here, which we'll be opening it in just a second. It's a little bit heavier than the standard basic seat. If you're taking it out and about a bunch, you're probably gonna like carrying it with this seat, but if you're gonna be using it all day inside your house, you'll probably like the Premier seat because it's nicer. So just an unboxing real quick. Basically, it comes usually very well packaged. Probably need 2 people to do this. You can cut the box to roll it out. We're gonna pull it right out. So the seat would be in here if it has the standard seat. Here's your charger inside your charger box. You'll have the serial number, you have the cord that you hook up to the charger, and then you'll have this. It's good to charge this unit all the way up before you use it. Make sure you keep this tight. Sometimes it loosens, just tighten it up. So that's one box. If you order it with a regular seat, you'll probably have to install this, but since it has a Premier seat that came with it, it's already installed. And we'll show you that real quick. Flags will come with it for free. Manual. Inside your manual, you'll have your Allen key to tighten up the arms. You can order it with twist-off knobs too. So if you need it with the twist-off knobs, just let us know. We can send you some, or we can place the order with it. In here, you'll see how to adjust, see how to put the seat post on it. We already have ours on, so you'll see how to do it. It's very easy. There's 2 slots for 2 different heights. So we're just gonna put this over here. And this is zip tied. This is your battery pack. Here's your joystick. It's the new Lynx joystick, which, be real soft, turning it on and off with this button. You got a horn, battery indication, but this is nice. This doesn't fall off like most other power chairs. Charging ports through here. That's where you connect the cable, and this recalibrates through the different surfaces you go through. We'll just put that to the side. So get all this packaging out. Here's your armrest. Go ahead and bring these out. Just take the package right off. Put it to the side for the moment. Now I will say, when you get to this stage, now again, you can cut this box down to roll it right out. I'm just gonna pick this up because it does come apart, comes apart, and you get 4 different parts. The back motors disconnect from the front, the battery slides out. This, you needed some sharp scissors or a good knife because this is a little hard to cut. And then you have another one right here. You'll always see this, so just a heads up. And then from here, you can just slide this out. Now, there's been a few times, here's your battery box. Now this is in silver. You can get this in a few different colors. You can get it in orange, Sunburst yellow, Envy green, blue, red, and this is silver. And the features is right here. Tubular design, easy transport, just assembles into 4 pieces. Lightweight, convenient, foot room, all day range. So they say there's a 15-mile range at a 200-pound person, but it can hold up to 300 pounds. So what's nice about this unit is you can charge this away from the power chair by plugging your charger direct into here, or if you want to plug right into the joystick, you can also do that. So this is another cool feature Golden does. It tells you some safety tips, how to charge it, your diagnostics, troubleshooting, flash codes, all is on the back of this battery. So if you're out and about and you can't get a hold of us, you can refer to this backpack if you don't have your manual with you to help you with a little bit of issues you might run into. We hope you don't run into any issues. Again, there's your serial number label here, the serial number on the batteries. They're everywhere. Now, one thing, if you can see this, these are blockers for the batteries. These have to be removed. You can remove them, discard them. You don't need them. So, but if you don't remove them and you try to charge the unit through the joystick, it's not going to charge. That has happened to a few people. What I'm going to do is go ahead and release this back handle, and I'm going to bring this right up. So this is about 37 pounds. You got 6x2 casters on the front, and then your back section, and here's your release, your motor release is all together, okay? These tires won't mark up the floor. They've improved the rims. So we're going to pull that right out, and I'll show you how it goes together, and then we'll open the seat box. You're going to reconnect this, and then we're going to open that box. So with this unit, this is your battery. These things connect right to here. So, and then all these cords. If you ever have an issue, it could just be a loose wire somewhere here. It's kind of easy to get to. You can always call us. We do have service plans, but just you don't want to slam this down. So you see this yellow and this right here? We're just going to walk that right back and then connect it. Once you get it connected, this right here is underneath here. One thing I would tell you is you can't pick this up. This is 65 pounds. There's a lot of power chairs that disassemble. That's the base is 65 pounds. Just be careful yanking this up in the air, because if this slips, the motor and everything drops. So just be really careful with that. Just if you do that, just kind of grab it here and somewhere up here. And then here's your basket under here. And then this can be adjusted up or down. So right now this is all the way down, and there's an adjustment to bring it up. And there'll be specs on the page. It shows you different seat heights. Here's your modular. All that's all in here. It's real clean, it's real nice. And little caster wheels at the back. So let's go ahead and move forward. Again, the first thing you want to do is take your battery and put it on the charger, which we'll do that in just a little bit, but you would just take this out, unhook all this, connect it, and you're going to plug this right into here, and then you're going to plug this into the wall. Once you plug this into the wall, you'll see this light. This light would be on, this light would be yellow. When you see both of these lights green, it's fully charged. If you have this unplugged, this light will be red and nothing will be here. But once you connect this, this light turns yellow. After 12 hours, it'll be green. It'll charge faster than that, but the first initial, charge it up overnight. It's better to charge it up overnight. Even if you use it for an hour a day, make sure you charge it up overnight. Inside this battery pack, there are two batteries, two 12 volt, 22 amp hour batteries. There's two in here, so it's not, you don't have to buy a whole pack. You can buy an extra pack if you like, but if you have to replace these batteries next year or in 2 years, it could last up to 3, maybe longer, you can replace the batteries inside of here. So how this battery connects, it's just this little thing right here, and it looks, you can see how it slides. You're just gonna take it and slide it right on there and make sure it's all the way down. You don't have to slam it, jam it, just make sure you slide it up and down. Now, the first time doing it might be a little, might have to adjust it a little bit. So let's get into, here's a flip-ups footrest. Now this does loosen up over time, so you might need to tighten it up. There's a way to prevent that from happening, is by using the swivel seat that the chair comes with. So I'll show you that. So as we open the Premier seat, it's going to be, has a nice pad, a little bit higher back, but it's not a full captain seat with a headrest. You can do a couple of adjustments with moving this up and back, but the way it comes, the way I would leave it, and you take it like this, and you drop it right on there. And there you go. There's your Premier seat on your Envy. I think it's a 17 by 16. The specs, and he'll pop it up on there, and then you take the back off. Again, give it a good full charge. We're not going to do the full charge right now. We'll do it once this video is over with. This is your free wheel. You pull that up, and you can roll it with it turned off. It rolls smooth. To lock it, you do that. All right, so let's add the arms. Over here, you'll see the 18, 20 by 18 seat. This is a lightweight seat along with that one. So let's grab the arms. Now, if you're right-handed, it's going to come set up right-handed. But if you're left-handed, this can be undone and moved to the other side. So it can be easily changed from right hand to left hand or left hand to right hand. These are adjustable in width out. So I usually put it right about there so you can fold the seat down. I think this seat's like 30 pounds. And I'm gonna put this in there. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna grab your manual and you're gonna undo, you're gonna go in there and get this little tool. And I'm gonna tighten this up. Now, if you're gonna be taking this out a bunch and you wanna take the armrest off to make it a little bit more compact, we can send it out with some knobs that you can just twist off really quick and get in your car, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a minute. So just tighten that up, and this is something you're going to want to check every once in a while. Make sure that's tight. You can put this back in your manual, put your manual in this chart pocket at the back. So right now we're very close to being complete. We just need to add the joystick. And again, this can be moved to this side also. Take this joystick, bring it in. Now you can adjust this out or in, wherever you like. And then you're gonna take your cord and run it up through here, or however you wanna do it, and connect it right in to here. So this also can come right off by pushing that. And I'll show you how to take it apart real quick if you like. So the swivel seats are pushed down. So this would be the best way to get in and out of the chair if you can, to prevent from having to move this up and down a bunch. And there you go. Powerchair is complete. So let's go ahead and show you these seats really quick with these all together. This is that 17 by 16 seat. So 16 depth, 17 width. This is the 20 by 18 seat. Now remember, arms can be adjusted on all of them and switch. And this is the luxury seat or premier seat. That's going to be 17 inches wide with about 17 inches in depth, and from seat to height at the back 17. These are about 16. So this one's a little bit heavier to pick up, but it's going to be a little bit more padded, a lot nicer. And these do have nice pads, armrest, and this is a little bit smaller. And then over here, as you see, this is the Compass Sport with the same style Lynx controller. It's a mid-wheel drive chair. These are back-wheel drive chairs. This cannot be disassembled, but you could take it apart. It's not meant to be done. This is more of a full-size power chair with a center wheel drive. So check that out, Compass Sport, if you're looking for more of an all-day long power chair to sit in, because it has the headrest and a higher back. So we'll do a video on that Compass Sport soon. But the Envy's been a great power chair. There's some of the competitors like the Go chair, the Merit's P3 or Junior, P321 Deluxe. But this one has a pretty nice ground clearance, longer battery range, disassembles very quickly, comes in 6 different colors, and it's been a really popular chair for us. So if you look at this real quick, 28.5 turning radius. It's made for indoor or outdoor use. I don't suggest it be main outdoor through thick grass, range up to 15.5 miles. That's going to be weighted at a 200-pound person, but it can hold up to 300. Disassembles, yes. Heaviest piece is 37 pounds. Weight capacity 300. Optional seat width and optional seats. So the model, it's a model GB162 by Golden Technologies. We're affordablemedicalusa.com. Give us a call or check us out online at affordablemedicalusa.com and put in GB162 in the search bar. It'll go directly to this page.